You got a horizontal fire shutter that closes off your atrium from the basement to the next level above. It's tied into the building life safety fire alarm system. It will close through the motor of the door as long as there's power to the building, line voltage in other words. If there's not, it is a fail-safe device. There's a fuse link on there. There's captured spring tension in the coil of the door, which can be accessed through that will force the door closed in order to maintain the integrity from this level to that level. So there's two methods that the door will close. One is under power of the building. Two, if there is no power of the building, there is a fire and it gets close enough to melt the fusible link at 165 degrees, then the captured spring tension of the door will force it to close. You have a key switch here that operates the door. Ascension edge on the edge of the door, that's that rubber bumper. But in the pathway from here to just before it reaches what we call the receiving channel, which is where it just closed itself into, it will stop the door electrically and then reverse the door. There's about a 3 to 5 second lapse for the door to do its reversing. You know, the motor operator has to be able to stop and then take the signal to go back. So there's your door in and of itself as it's closed. The maintenance of this door is really the two most key things to keep in mind are visual inspections of the track at all times. That's the steel pieces you see here and there. It creates a groove that the door passes through. That must be kept free of anything. Otherwise, there's a possibility it could hang the door up. If it's softer material, like a cup or something, it'll probably roll through it, but it'll get in there. If it's something metallic in nature or solid, it could cause the door to backwind on the coil because the safety edge doesn't reach into the guide. So the closing of the door, or the opening actually, excuse me, it's a momentary contact. You just hit the side. You're looking at the key switch counterclockwise, you turn it that way, it opens the doors. There's rotary limit switches in the door that are set so that the door will stop at its pre-described location.